A day after his hanging, more questions are raised on whether the family of Afzal Guru was deliberately kept in the dark. While the government claims his kin were informed in advance, the family members claim they came to know of it only through TV channels.
ये इनकी जुमूरियत है और हमारे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का ये लॉ है, फिलहाल के नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का। कोई नहीं, कोई मुलाकात भी आखिरी मरहले में नहीं दी गई।
Jail authorities sent out letters to the family. The DGP of Jammu and Kashmir was told to inquire if the family has been informed or not. So I think all the legal recourses were taken.
Union Home Ministry had claimed on Saturday that a speed post was sent to Afzal's family, and then DGP Jammu and Kashmir was asked to check if the family received the information about Afzal's hanging. But CNN-IBN has learned that the speed post was sent on 6th of February with the information that the hanging would be carried out on the 8th. Did the government seriously expect the letter to reach Sopore, Afzal's hometown, in just 48 hours? Did the jail authorities wait for a confirmation from JK Police that Afzal's family has been informed before hanging him? Government says Jammu Kashmir CM, Chief Secretary and DGP were kept in the loop, but Omar Abdullah claims he was informed only on 8th night at 8 p.m. that the hanging would be carried out in 12 hours. But as far as the rule book is concerned, the government seems to have played it safe. The jail manual does not mention if the information to the family must be by post or in person. It also does not make it mandatory for the family's acknowledgement to be received before the hanging is carried out. Afzal's family has now sought permission to offer their last respects at his grave.
They are worried about two things. One is they want to do the last rites. They read namaz and whatever else they do. And second is they want the last effects, his spectacles or whatever.
Sources say Afzal is buried inside the Tihar jail premises, and making the exact location public could lead to a safety issue for the high security Tihar jail. In New Delhi, Arunima.